today I will show you how you generate the how to type articles using our Aibuster tools. This is actually similar to info automation. The difference is how to module is specially designed for how to type articles, so you can get always step-by-step information by this how to type module. In the last video, I already discussed our many modules. You can check the video description for the previous video. So now let's talk about our new module called how to automation. First, I will log in to our Aibuster tools. It's quite similar to the previous one. So I will give you the summary. First, like before, click the website menu and fill up the all required information. Click the save button. This will add your website to our system. If you need more information, you can check our previous video. Then to publish the multiple article, choose the publish bulk article. If you publish single article, click on the publish single articles. The single article option is primarily designed for who want to add a personal touch to AI generated articles. So I am currently in the bulk mode. Here, first you need to provide a keywords. So I add a keyword how to use ChatGPT. Then you have to select the image source and select the image quantity. Then if you want to add video, just select the video quantity. After that, you select the language and choose your website, then select article category. Okay, then here is more option. You can see 3 options here. Post to publish, that means article will publish immediately. So if you turned off, this is save your article as draft. You can schedule by turn this on. After fill up everything, just click the submit button. It will take about 1 to 3 minutes for each post published. Okay, so let's wait few minutes for publish the article. I see that the article has been published and looks like it's already SEO optimized. And also Google feature snippets optimized. Have 1 images, 1 video, and have few FAQ. Overall looks like real human articles. Okay, that's it. You can join our official Facebook group for instant help. Thank you very much for watching my video. I will back with another Aibuster module.